In the demanding world of pump and valve manufacturing, precision and reliability are everything. Components like valve bodies and pump housings require robust machining solutions that can handle size, weight, and complexity. WIDMA's vertical turning lathe, VTL, rises to this challenge, delivering accuracy, efficiency, and productivity. Now let's hear from Mr. Nilesh Makadia, CEO of Jagdish Technocast, who's experienced the impact of WIDMA's VTL up close.
We started in 1993 to cater to the pumps and the valve industry with an installed capacity of 20 tons per month. We are supplying to valves, pumps, automobiles, architectural industries, domestic as well as exports. We do a value addition by machining about 35% of our castings, which is done with reputed brands of CNC automated machines. We have vertical turning centers, milling centers and horizontal turning centers. So we are taking help of automation as well as highly skilled people to control our processes and qualities. Initially we are not doing very big parts. Now we've gone in for bigger parts, about 80 kg plus. And we were looking for higher productivity machines. And we came to know that WIDMA is doing such kind of machines with gearbox, which was an added point. So that's why we went for WIDMA.
WIDMA's VT850 is a 2-axis plug-and-play vertical turning lathe for machining large components that require heavy metal removal and unmatched accuracy with best-in-class productivity. It is a versatile machine for general turning operations like turning, boring, grooving, and threading, and is available in table sizes from 550 millimeters to 3,000 millimeters. Among its many machining capabilities, the VT850 consistently stands out in finishing operations, delivering exceptional accuracy and a flawless surface finish, just the way our customer needs it.
We are using this WIDMA machine since last 8-10 months. The performance of WIDMA is very good. We are satisfied with WIDMA's quality and performance. Because of the added feature of gearbox, we will be able to reduce our cycle time from 12 to 16%. So far, we have not required any technical support. The WIDMA team is very friendly, cooperative. The transaction right from quotation to the delivery of the part went very smoothly.
To explore how WIDMA can support your machining needs, get in touch with us today.